Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you a new script that I written for my subscribers. So basically this is application guys which we are making use of Twitter API, which basically downloads the profile picture of a username. So we have this simple interface inside Bootstrap and JavaScript. So we have an input field out there where you can enter the Twitter username of the username, and then we have a button here. So you need to enter the profile, and let's suppose if I enter the correct username and click on download image, you will see automatically this will download the JPG file here, and you will see that this Twitter profile picture has been downloaded. So we are making use of Twitter API in the background using JavaScript. We are making a simple HTTP request to that Twitter API. So this is unlimited. You can do it unlimited number of times. You can deploy this application on your own domain name. So all the source code guys I have given in the description of the video. You can purchase the full source code. I have written this application with my full dedication. So you can just write any random username and then basically click on that. And if that username exists, you will see this is avatar image. You can also cross verify as well. Let's suppose if I want this username, the username here in the address bar. If you perfectly know the username, you can simply copy this like this. You can see that now the picture has been successfully downloaded. So you can just deploy this tool guys on your own domain name and simply earn money as well. So this is passive tool called as, so various tools are there on the market. So if you rank this tool on Google, a lot of traffic will come to your website, and Google, just the users will just want to um, input that username, and then they will able to download the image. You will see that you can just pick out any username that you want to do. So you can just write here username here, enter Twitter username, and as you click that, you will see that automatically if that user exists, then in that case you will get your, you can see that. So it's very easy guys. How you can see the quality of the picture is also very good. So this is really very simple tool. It works in the browser guys. Basically no need to worry about it. After purchasing the tool, you can directly modify the script, or you can directly uh, deploy this tool inside your own domain name. While you purchase it, you can go to the file manager, simply paste the files, and that's how. This is making use of pure JavaScript and Bootstrap. No third-party dependencies are used here. So we are using the Twitter API, simply plugging the Twitter username, and then we have this button right here. So this button also have this validation out there as well. So we have a simple this if you see, the username is there, this input field is there, and simply we have this button out there. So the link is given guys. If you are interested, you can basically buy the full source code. And thank you very much for watching this video.